There's a new helmsman at the Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria. Mr. Innocent Chinyere Ohagwa was formally inaugurated as the 17th president of the CITN on Saturday, 14th June 2025. Who is Innocent Ohagwa?
We have a man who is just a good man. We just have Innocent Ohagwa. We don't know anything about him. He's just a good man. And for me, as the 16th president, to have the privilege of handing over to a man who is good, who offers service without expecting reward, who is so gifted and has a lot of strength in him. And in most cases, he likes working behind the scene. So the Institute is said to have a great man to lead us to the next 2 years.
Mr. Innocent Chinyere Ohagwa is a distinguished chartered accountant, accomplished chartered tax professional, former banker, and certified information systems auditor with an illustrious 36-year career spanning expertise in finance, taxation, and information systems. Notably, he spent 24 years at the Federal Inland Revenue Service, FIRS, rising to the position of Coordinating Director, General Services Group. His expertise was nurtured in his early working years through stints at Akintola Williams, now Deloitte, Century Merchant Bank Limited, and Mutari Dangana & Co. Throughout his tenure at FIRS, Mr. Ohagwa demonstrated exceptional intellectual capabilities, a strong work ethic, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. He held various leadership positions across 16 different postings, garnering a broad spectrum of experience that has propelled his success. His outstanding performance earned him numerous awards and commendations from employers and stakeholders alike. Mr. Innocent Chinyere Ohagwa has garnered an impressive array of prestigious awards, recognitions, and commendations from esteemed organizations, stakeholders, and employers. Some notable examples include Individual Award for Great Performance 2005, presented by the Executive Chairman of FIRS, recognizing his exceptional performance at the FIRS head office. Award of Excellence, November 2009, from FIRS Staff Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited, honoring his role in revitalizing the Human Capital Management Department of FIRS. Appreciation Award 2020 from CITN Staff Welfare Committee, acknowledging his contributions to staff welfare as Honorary Treasurer.
Mr. Ohagwa being an acclaimed team player, somebody who encourages others to thrive. I am sure that CITN will move up and move forward very well.
Mr. Innocent Chinyere Ohagwa has been an active member of the Institute since being admitted as associate member in the year 1990 and was admitted as a fellow in 1999. He has served as facilitator at various times during the Institute's organized mandatory professional training program, workshops, and seminars. He was elected a member of the Governing Council of the Institute in June 2013 and has served in various capacities until his recent election as the 17th President, Chairman of Council of the Institute, including Chairman, Publicity and Publication Committee, Vice Chairman, Nigeria Taxation Standard Board, Chairman, Investigation Panel, Chairman, Projects Committee, Honorary Treasurer, June 2019 to June 2021, Deputy Vice President, Chairman of Joint District Societies, June 2021 to June 2023, Vice President, Chairman of Finance and General Purposes Committee, June 2023 to June 2025. At the African regional level, Mr. Ohagwa was re-elected as the Honorary Treasurer, West African Union of Tax Institutes, in February 2025, having previously served a 2-year tenure from February 2023 to February 2025.
Our new president is a seasoned professional, visionary leader, devoted member of the Institute, has demonstrated through his years of dedicated service a deep commitment to the ideals and values of CITN.
A worthy son of Omonachi village in Nkore, Imo State, Mr. Innocent Chinyere Ohagwa was born on March 14, 1961.
Mr. Innocent Chinyere Ohagwa was born on March 14, 1961, in Umunachi village, Nkwere, Imo State, to the family of late Mr. Augustus Okoroma Ohagwa and Mrs. Beatrice Nwaru Okwara Ohagwa. He hails from the Umukwara Nozie kindred of Umunachi quarters, Nkwere. Mr. Ohagwa's educational journey began at St. Paul's Primary School, Nkwere, shortly after the Civil War. He later transferred to Community Primary School 3, Nkwere, where he completed his primary education from 1970 to 1974, earning his first school leaving certificate. Mr. Innocent Chinyere Ohagwa's academic excellence began with his outstanding performance in the Common Entrance Examination of the Old Imo State. These achievements earned him admission to the renowned Government College, Umuahia, established in 1929. He completed his secondary education from 1974 to 1979, graduating with an impressive Division 1 in his West African Examination Council (WAEC) results. Between 1979 and 1981, Mr. Ohagwa pursued his advanced level education at the School of Art and Science in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State. His exceptional performance led to him passing 4 advanced level papers in the higher school certificate, HSC GCE advanced level. Additionally, he successfully completed the certificate in basic studies, advanced level examination, conducted in collaboration with the University of Cambridge, London. Mr. Ohagwa's impressive academic record earned him admission to the prestigious University of Lagos, Akoka, where he studied accounting from 1981 to 1985. Through hard work, perseverance, dedication, and the grace of Almighty, he graduated with a second-class honors upper division degree in accounting. He furthered his education by obtaining a master's degree in business administration from Bayero University, Kano in 1996. Mr. Innocent Chinyere Ohagwa's illustrious career spans over 3 decades, marked by exceptional achievement and dedication to excellence. His professional journey started at Akintola Williams & Co. 1985 to 1990, where he underwent rigorous training and qualified as a chartered accountant. He then moved to Century Merchants Bank Limited, 1999 to 1997, and briefly worked with Mutari Dangana and Co., chartered accountants in Kano, before joining public service. In June 1997, Mr. Ohagwa joined the Federal Inland Revenue Service, FIRS, as an Assistant Chief Inspector of Taxes. Through hard work, impressive service delivery, and divine favor, he received rapid promotions as follows: Chief Inspector of Taxes, January 2000, Assistant Director, January 2003, Deputy Director, January 2008, Director, January 2012, Coordinating Director, 2020. Throughout his tenure at FIRS, Mr. Ohagwa demonstrated exceptional leadership and organizational skills, serving in various capacities.
Mr. Ohagwa is a consummate professional whose exemplary career in tax administration spans over 35 years. His distinguished service as coordinating director at the Federal Inland Revenue Service, coupled with his deep commitment to the advancement of tax professionalism, uniquely positions him to lead this esteemed institute. The man is an individual whose reputation precedes him. His strategic ability is resolute and his discipline is unwavering. Beyond his impressive qualifications, Mr. Ohagwa is a visionary leader whose integrity, diligence, and passion for capacity building have earned him respect across Nigeria and the West African region. His re-election as Honorary Treasurer of the West African Union of Tax Institute is a testament to his regional influence and commitment to harmonizing tax practices.
This important milestone is not only a recognition of Mr. Ohagwa's professional excellence, but also a clear endorsement of his vision, leadership, and unwavering commitment to the advancement of taxation and national development.
Following his graduation in 1985, Mr. Innocent Chinyere Ohagwa embarked on his National Youth Service, NYSC, in Lagos State, where he was mobilized to serve at the renowned Akintola Williams and Co. Chartered Accountants, now DVILs. Through training and extensive practical experience at Akintola Williams and Co., Mr. Ohagwa successfully passed the final professional level examination of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, ICANN, in November 1989, qualifying as a chartered accountant and becoming an associate of Chartered Accountants, ACA. He was subsequently admitted as a fellow of ICANN in 2000. Mr. Ohagwa further expanded his professional expertise by becoming an associate of the Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria, ACTI, in 1990, and later a fellow of the Institute, FCTI, in 1999. Additionally, he obtained certifications as a certified fraud examiner through training at the University of Portsmouth, UK, 2007 to 2008, and as a Certified Information Systems Auditor, CISA, with Information Systems Audit and Control Association, ISACA, USA. A strong advocate for continuous learning, Mr. Ohagwa has attended prestigious training programs, seminars, and conferences, including those at Harvard University's John F. Kennedy School of Government, Executive Education, Massachusetts, USA.
Mr. Ohagwa, your unwavering commitment to the leadership, integrity, excellence, and hospitality reflect your noble character and your readiness to serve as a beacon of inspiration for many, and I'm one of them. These I can confidently attest to while working under your leadership. Your remarkable achievement in the realm of accountancy, taxation, and mentoring have found your profound impact on the industry and the nation at large. The new task before you, I have no doubt that you have what it takes to handle this role effectively and efficiently. Your track record in federal Inland Revenue Service is still relevant for someone to infer from. You are a role model, an example to many of us that worked with you back then. Just as Christ is also our all-time role model.
Upon retiring as director on March 23, 2020, Mr. Ohagwa was graciously reappointed by the FIRS board as coordinating director, General Services, effective March 25, 2020. In this capacity, he oversaw 7 departments: finance and accounts, revenue accounting, human capital facility, career and skills, building and works, security and safety, respectively. After leaving the service as coordinating director, he was re-engaged on contract by the Federal Inland Revenue Service, FIRS, as a subject matter expert, alongside with other retirees, to conduct technical sessions and build capacity in various FIRS offices from July 2023 to June 2024. Additionally, he serves as a board member responsible for reviewing articles for FIRS journals and also holds a directorship position at JK Consulting Company Limited since October 2021 to date. Effective November 1, 2024, the Honorable Minister of Finance, Coordinating Minister of the Economy, appointed Mr. Ohagwa as a Tax Appeal Commissioner, member of the Lagos Tax Appeal Tribunal Panel 1. Mr. Ohagwa is happily married to engineer Mrs. Antonia Chinyere Ohagwa, who formerly served as General Manager ICT and later that of Tariffs and Billing at the Nigerian Ports Authority. Their union is blessed with 3 lovely children. In his leisure time, Mr. Innocent Chinyere Ohagwa enjoys pursuing his passions for reading, staying informed, and expanding his knowledge on various subjects, teaching, sharing his expertise, and mentoring others, philanthropy, giving back to the community, and making a positive impact on the lives of others. distinguished guests, ladies and eminent gentlemen, at this juncture, kindly permit us to present to the audience our amiable chartered tax professional and more, Mr. Innocent C. Ohagwa, FCTI, as the 17th President of the Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria.
The investiture ceremony did not end without these charges from some of Mr. Ohagwa's numerous constituencies. From the FIRS family,
We want to advise you, Mr. President, that you steer the leadership of CITN with a difference. We want you to always speak for and fight for both taxpayers and the government. For taxpayers, at any point in time that you have the opportunity to speak, please encourage them to continue to pay their taxes. It is through the taxes that they pay that government is able to provide them with social amenities, provide them with social services, build world-class infrastructures like roads, hospitals, and schools. And for the government at all levels, we encourage you to persuade them where you have the opportunity to speak to government officials to give taxpayers at all given point in time value for their money. They should build this world-class infrastructure for taxpayers. They should provide them with social amenities, secure their lives and businesses. They should be transparent and accountable. When they both do this, the trust between the taxpayers and government is assured.
and from royalty.
I understand I'm here to give a message, but I want to tell you something. People do not know that the key that can cure Nigerian problem today is simple and it belongs to the taxation group. As the president of Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria, you can perform this miracle. Let me tell you, what begot insecurity in Nigeria is suffering. What begot the suffering in Nigeria is malfunctioning of our economic system. Our national economic plan is nothing to go about. I want to tell you, the economic age in Nigeria today is about 57%. If you go to the demography of Nigerian countries, find that the majority of youth, the productive age is about 57 to 60%. If the Institute will incorporate reorientation, if the Institute will train our tax officers by good information, letting people know that Nigeria operates a progressive tax system, that our tax system is friendly, not punitive, people will not change their attitude towards tax problems. No country can draw money from heaven. It is purely obsolete. So think you can print the money and do one project or the other. Money is by circulation of productive system. It is only when it's properly executed that it can create an economic equilibrium. People should know this. I want to urge you. That's why instead of talking much of messages, I'm charging you. I know your humility, your intellectual exposure can bring wonderful achievement in this country. I charge you, immediately you get in there, no matter you have your strategic development program, successful taxation, please educate Nigerians. Train the tax officers. There's nothing to worry about it. Nigeria is blessed. We have wonderful resources. It's our productivity. Immediately our productivity, peace and consumption, we are now in positive trade balance. And the moment you now have this, you now ameliorate. There will be less criminals. There will be less problem of insecurity. When people are hungry, they can commit anything. I charge all FIRS people, befriend the society, talk to the people, let them know it's not a sin to pay tax. Let us pay our taxes so that the country will have enough money. And then leadership will know when these monies are coming, should be channeled into the rightful usages. The time has gone. And with innocence, I know the change must come to pass.
As a royal father and a paramount ruler of Idoma Kingdom, and on this occasion, I recognize the pivotal role the CITN played in shaping sound tax policies, fostering transparency, and strengthening growth. I therefore charge the new president and his council member to continue to uphold integrity, competency, and innovation in the discharge of their noble duty. May your tenure be marked by the significant achievement, renewed vision, and impactful leadership. I pray that divine wisdom and strength guide Mr. Ohagwa as he leads the Institute into a new era of excellence.
And these good wishes,
we at APBN are confident that under his leadership, CITN will reach greater heights and continue to provide strong intellectual and policy contributions to Nigeria's fiscal and economic architecture.
We are confident that his tenure will usher in an era of innovation, inclusive growth, and consolidation of past gains. I join all of you here today in wishing him a successful, impactful, and memorable administration.
And all we can ask or say is that we give him all the support so that he will do very well. It's a teamwork. It cannot be done by only the president. It's a teamwork.
again, here is wishing Mr. Innocent Chinyere Ohagwa, the 17th President of the Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria, a successful tenure.